Yo guys, starting off the vlog here. I'm about to go out to dinner with my in-laws. Maybe I'll shoot a few clips on the S5, but I'm not going to bring this camera with me. But wanted to say, hey, happy Sunday, let's get it started. My day is going to be full of projects, I think, but let's see what's up. Alright, yo. Then, this morning, I had to go to the store to get brunch supplies, and here's what that drive looked like. All of my dollars for real. Every color like for real. Yeah, that's for real. And then after that, I swapped the hood ornaments from the black E320 to the silver one, since Ann's coworker actually was the one to knock that out. So check out me doing that. Wow, that was almost too easy. How long did that take? 25 seconds.
Now, these are all just shoved together, aren't they?
In the meantime, my father-in-law was putting in a new garage door opener. Then I went outside to work on the roller coaster. I made some nice progress. We'll check that out right now. So yeah guys, that's the third day of the snowstorm. Hopefully you enjoyed and hopefully you had a good weekend. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Remember what I say guys, stay positive, keep rolling. Remember that I love you, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.